हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जॉब सर्च ग्रुप यू। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ ऐसी जॉब्स जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर और बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस रोल के रिलेटेड। तो अगर आपके पास पाइथन, सीक्वल, पावर बीआई डेवलपर, टैबल्यू, क्यूलिक एक्सपीरियंस है या लुकिंग टू स्टार्ट अ करियर एज अ फ्रेशर इन दिस डोमेन, देन दिस वीडियो इज अ मस्ट वॉच फॉर यू। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनीज एंड सैलरी दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग। But उससे पहले for my new audience, let me introduce myself. My name is Harish Singh. I'm a blogger, a YouTuber, and a job search consultant as well. And I've almost 8+ years of experience recruiting people for different skills like Power BI developer, data scientist, data analyst, or business analytics role. So if you do not want to lose out any single opportunity related to these domains, subscribe this channel right away. Follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well. और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे ऑलरेडी एक डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज चल रही है जहां पे मैं आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूँ 2 से 3 जॉब रिलेटेड टू दीज डोमेन्स अलॉन्ग विद द जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स। तो अगर आपने अभी तक वो चैनल फॉलो नहीं किया, सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, देन डू फॉलो इट राइट अवे। अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं। लेट्स जंप टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन।
तो फ्रेंड्स आगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं फॉर द रोल ऑफ पावर बीआई डेवलपर और कंसल्टेंट। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाए उससे पहले जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिमाइंडर अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू, जहां पे आपको मिलते हैं डेली बेसिस पे 2 से 3 जॉब्स अलॉन्ग विद द जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स। तो अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल फॉलो नहीं किया है तो डू फॉलो इट राइट अवे। अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब की तरफ। फर्स्ट कंपनी इन द लिस्ट इज जेनपैक्ट, हायरिंग फॉर लीड कंसल्टेंट बीआई डेवलपर, एक्सपीरियंस 2+ years, लोकेशन इज इन नोएडा मुंबई, सैलरी 6 to 9 lakhs per annum, education bachelor's degree in business information system, computer science, or experience related IT experience. About the role: develop business intelligence solution using customer provided Microsoft Power applications, build and operationalize data marts in AWS using SQL and published using the reporting tool. Further plan and lead the quality control, assurance and user acceptance testing by creating test plans. Advanced Power BI developer with experience including experience designing dashboards leveraging visualization best practices. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job role. And some technical skills: experience building strong BI applications and solutions, excellent communication skills and ability to independently deliver projects, further proficiency in SQL and database design of large data sets, advanced Power BI developer with Power BI certification, and proficiency with Python and Microsoft Power Automate. So these are some technical skills. Basically, Power BI developer, SQL, and Python. These 3 technical skills. If you are good to go, if you have these 3 skills, then you can apply for the job post. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link, which is available in the description box. Let's move to the second job, which is for the company name Beam, hiring for category and insight analyst, experience 1 to 2 years. Location is in Gurgaon, salary 6 to 9 lakhs per annum. Education, university degree, BS, BA or equivalent. Roles and responsibilities: proficiency in collating large amount of data, Excel, Power BI, Business Forum, etc. Partnering with insights to generate category and shopper insights that uncover growth opportunities. Support in regular category framework updates and rollout across total channel through engaging and compelling presentation. And always looking for other sources of information, category data, global economic, to help support total channel. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job post. And some technical skills: team player who thrives in high performing, diverse and inclusive team and works with pace and focus. Prior experience in category development, inside data analysis role for 1 to 2 years. Advanced Excel, PowerPoint and Power BI skills. Be able to turn insights into action and present to wider stakeholder group. So in this specific job post, you need not to have a programming language like Python or R. If you have good knowledge of Excel, PowerPoint, then you can apply for the job post. And if you are good to go for the job, you can click on this link, which is available in the description box. Now, the third company in the list is the MAVERICS Technologies, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 0 to 2 year. Location is in Pune. Education degree in computer science, maths or stats. Salary 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. So if you're looking for any internship or any fresher job opportunity as a Power BI developer, you can apply for the job post. Roles and responsibilities: building analysis service reporting models, developing visual reports, dashboards and KPI scorecards using Power BI desktop. Expertise in using advanced level calculation on the data sets. Able to develop tabular and multidimensional models that are compatible with warehouse standards. Able to properly understand the business requirements and develop data models accordingly by taking care of the resources. And some technical skills: development experience in Microsoft 365 technologies, including SharePoint Online and the Power Platform. SharePoint Power Platform related certification. Troubleshooting abilities, excellent communication skills, and ability to learn new emerging technologies. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills this company is looking for. And if you are interested for the job post, you can click on this link to apply for the job. Fourth company in the list is FLIPKART, well-known e-commerce portal, hiring for associate business analyst, which is analytics. Experience 2 to 3 years. Location is in Bangalore. Education, engineering, graduate in computer science, bachelor's, master's degree in computer science as well. Salary 5 to 8 lakhs per annum, that is estimated. What you need to do as an associate business analyst: ability to translate structured and unstructured problems into analytics framework, ability to plan and execute deliverables, multitask and work on diverse range of requirements, understand business nuances and its implications on customer experience, actionable insights from data analysis to stakeholders, ad hoc analysis and support of strategies and tactical CX initiatives, and experience in descriptive, predictive, prescriptive analysis. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job role. And some technical skills this company is looking for: good handle of SQL, Excel, scripting language such as Python, Spark, SAS, hands-on experience in building machine learning algorithms across diverse range of business problems, excellent verbal, written communication and presentation skills, and if you have experience in BI tools like Power BI, Tableau, QlikView and MS Office application, experience of working in a fast-paced environment is a plus. So these are some technical skills and roles and responsibilities for the job post, and if you find yourself suitable for the job post, you can click on this link which is available in the description box. Let's move to the fifth job, which is for the company name CUMMINS, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 0 to 2 years. Location is in Pune. Education, bachelor's, master's in stats, maths, analytics or related discipline. So again, if you're looking for as a fresher job opportunity or as an intern job opportunity, you can apply for the job post. Salary 3 to 4 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: applies machine learning and machine learning tools on data and metadata to improve data qualities, identifies patterns and trends in data sets, develops data profiles for data tables and elements in the data lake, collaborate to develop data cleansing methods and rules, assist in creation and maintenance of documentation of key decision rules, controls and processes. And some technical skills: SQL query language, execution on NoSQL and SQL sources, exposure to agile software development, data profiling tools, technologies and coding, data catalog tools and technologies, exposure to big data, open source, should be able to understand customers' behavior requirement, and relevant experience preferred such as working in a temporary student employment, intern, co-op or other extracurriculum team activities. So if you have any experience earlier as an temporary student, if you have done any project or as an intern, then you can apply for the job post. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link which you'll get in the description box. Sixth company in the list is Paychex, hiring for business intelligence reporting analyst, Power BI, experience 2 years. Location is in Bangalore. Salary 5 to 9 lakhs per annum. Education, bachelor's degree, which is required. And roles and responsibilities: prepares and distributes recurring operational reports to management to evaluate performance, work with various corporate departments to obtain and monitor accuracy of data, conduct regular and ad hoc analysis for tactical daily operations as well as for key projects, initiatives and strategies, and further maintain reports, dashboards and key indicators used by the leadership team to track key metrics including but not limited to client survey data, loss analysis and operational processing, and further process knowledge of the business and business processes and develop collaborate working relationship with all business partners. Some required skills for if you are interested for the job post: you need to have 2 years of experience in technical experience with data and reporting concept tools and proven capability to solve using qualitative and quantitative analytical skills, quick troubleshoots and resolve problems. Power BI experience is mandate, demonstrates written communication skills, possess a strong technical aptitude. So if you have 2 years of experience in Power BI or any business intelligence tool, then you can apply for the job post, and this link you'll get in the description box by which you can apply for the job post. Let's move to the seventh and final job for this week, which is for the company named Deloitte, hiring for AI and data consultant, Power BI plus Tableau, experience 2 to 4 years. Location is in Bangalore. Education, bachelor's, master's degree in computer science, and salary they have not disclosed, but that is competitive. Roles and responsibilities: implement large-scale data ecosystem including data management, governance and the integration of structured and unstructured data to generate insights, leverage automation, cognitive and science-based techniques to manage data, predict scenarios and prescribe actions, and drive operational efficiency by maintaining their data ecosystem, sourcing analytics expertise, and providing as a service offerings. So these are some technical roles and responsibilities for the job post. And if I talk about the technical skills, what you need to have: proficient in creating advanced calculated fields and parameters in Tableau and Power BI, deep understanding of Tableau data extracts, blending and joins, efficiently working with the large data sets, in-depth knowledge of Power BI data modeling and DEX calculations, familiarity with Tableau and Power BI server administration and configuration, installing configuration and managing Tableau server, and ability to write complex SQL queries and scripts for data analysis and manipulation. Also, you should be aware about ETL process and performing advanced data analysis using SQL functions. So SQL, Tableau, and Power BI, these three technical skills this company is looking for. And if you are good to go with this job, you can click on this link which is available in the description box. So friends, these are 7 jobs for this week, and do press the like button if this video is helpful, and let me know your feedback in the comment section. If you have any specific feedback about the video, how I can improve my video further, and share this video to your needy friends as well. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.